Margo bengia na endo mwanchu muligereria na okwanire andonsi asoberete Chinsa ni Isato chubutuko bwarero ekero chire chitarike 25 na ibere mutinyiro mutangani umwaka w'echiri wibere na 22 na manga korekanire korwa litikulia gachagete mpaka bono igana inde tumiranire asemesa ya mangana maya no kwegena kwane no gendrete kobabuya selitikuligima na indase bali mogotobwate gwetera senchira yemitandao no tole Ndizi TV News Digital eyo nensemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube na ndina bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News na kwaraganira talimake asenchira yowekeranu kolende toyanyore asenchira yowenge karango chakoirana ninche kumenya yo mana yanda mange asenchira yowekeranu.
Tunatarajia imekuja hata imezidi kwa sababu tulikuwa na target ya 6.5 lakini ikaenda 7.6.
Eskuru ya St. Vincent umwali meya bonchari okolia buyasa matemo manene oenekirie umwali mo manene.
We have a program on safety and protection of journalists.
Ekiombe kia Media Council of Kenya kiaboliri abanyene chinyomba cy'uburalia gutware bikaro n'abakora emirimo.
We produced so many A's that almost each and every candidate was getting an A. This is not so. This is all but propaganda coined by people who don't have proper intentions for our education system.
Amatemo manene yo mwako eta taibeirie eyo propaganda otebiro mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu.
Majirega igakorwe pikipiki ya ne service ne company ya Card General ngoira ne ngambia mono batokoreire service for free batoire reflector nando batosomiri goro yo buye bokorera pikipiki service na koruchi kugora spares chire genuine.
Abarundi aba boda aina ya TVS banyoliro bokoreri bwabo sakoro ase company ya Car and General Motors. Margo bengia wano mwanchu mo ligereria ikaranso ike toimanye asenchira yobekeranu Chinsa Isato unanako manya buli tangani nigonde ntenenera yoyo Minto Vincent Onyancha olitoko bwaterana komo wetera sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita ekero toko ya chaka koro ase bunge ya Bonchari erime county ya Kisii ase skuru ya St. Vincent Omwali eyo yanyara ko bakeo kora buyasa matemo manene yo mwakoeta buna kweneke umwalimu monene bweskuru eyo abwasebali kya ekerengo geisano na ibere korwa sekerengo kya inye muri kwitobo mangana mayande mo Steven tigato chakire no roboti oruo asenchera yoboikirano.
Omochengo nigogendrete kubwata insase skuru ya Bamura amo n'abanyaruka ya St. Vincent Omwali egotoka Bonchari. Wanafunzi na walimu twakwitaji Omwali. Ekerenga babwata samatemyo mwako eta nigo kiale kerengo kya isano nemo nuguta isano kolende nigo mwalimu monene akoerera buna ege kone nigo kyaene kigwasaboro kigubabo bali ke minsko ya isano na ibere nuguta isano nemo koira baro kiguchimi ibere na isano no yomo Imechu University guetera enchera ya mase yemo.
Sasa kila mtu amefurahi shuleni kwa sababu tumefanya maajabu, tumeshinda mashule kubwa. Vile mnaona hii shule yetu ni mchanga tena inatoka kwa msituni. Hii ni shule msituni. Lakini tumejaribu. Hata wao wanafunzi wa maskini wacha waende university. 206 wameenda university straight. B+ ndio tulianzia na B+ ilikuwa 26. Mpaka kuanzia C+ mpaka B+ ni 206. Sasa hiyo ni baraka kabisa.
Principal itoyo na wanyokole emyaka ebere no lyo kubeka abarimu amo ase wakole emirimo ebirasime.
Sasa after Igonga ndio Mwari kakuja. Zingine zinafuata nyuma. Sasa zote shule zote Bonchari ilikuwa 33.
Kibamanyete egetiro kero ase kirasi kiabo gia 12 kio mwaka oyo kugenderia machibu ayu Amayia ime ya KCSE nige skuru ya enekiri nebegete emeroberi emeikeranu.
Na wakati mwingine unawaelekeza vikali, wakati mwingine kama mzazi kwa upendo, na kupitia hayo mwanafunzi anakuwa motivated na kwa hivyo anafanya bidii na grade yake inasonga polepole.
Next year, kwa sababu hao wanafunzi wa the current form 4s ni wazuri, tuna target 8.1. Ni kitu ambayo tulisaka kama walimu kwa staff meeting tukadiscuss.
Abagokuwa na Gusii bobe neri batamanyeti nga Gusii igaro mongaini asa amasomo naende bamanya kumanya nga ki omwaka oyo tore bono iga naende abagusii bamanyire nga amasomo kurukare na aramaya.
Abaibori beskuru yo mwali nigo basabirwe gosire emeroberi y'ekisemi elio emeroberi ya mariganio ya matemuko b'emeororo ase skuru.
Omile tukwa jalali tumbali utukuze tupige hatua kali wanafunzi tujikaze.
Asekelio mwalimu monene gwe skuru ya St Vincent omwali atebire nage kona ase skuru ya gwetania kerengo na gukina kurwe minisko ya inye goika isano na ibere nuguta isano nemo nigo bana atebire namba beke meroberi emeikiranu kwane kibune kirasi kyo mwaka oyo nyale goikeri ekerengo ya isano na isato nuguteya yemo. Koripoteria Ndizi TV kurwa ase skuru ya St Vincent omwali gotoka Imiariana ward ebunge ya Bonchari erietariane Ndemo Steven.
Yono muligo ito Ndemo Steven. Mwancho muligereria ekero tutigareta samangana y'ekisemi korwa ase county ya Nyamira nigo boigo mokonyi bwo mwalimu monene bwe skuru ya Kibirigo nereso kire na gokwana obuya bwo kubwaterana gati ababwatani bonsi b'ekisemi gati abaiboli aborokigwa na aborokigwa iyo nerere irere ogokorio kuya kwa banafunzi gose kwa aborokigwa ase chiskuru ao niga yakwa na yachinga kibasanga no muliko itubo mangana maya korwa ase county ya Nyamira job mangi igoro yobuya bwo kubwaterana asa machibwa maya asa matuko aribosyo na ayasoka asa matuko makeigo ayitire.
Ekero chiskuru chigendete koigorwa imiense ichyo ya Kenya nigo ababwatani ao bagendete kurwa ogosegeta gochia saba ibori omokonyi wo mworokia omonene ase skuru ya Mumura ya Kibirigo James Ogari na segeta abaibori gosegeta abana babo ase chisukuru
nasa matemo asa ogete last year ya 2022 totware mini ya 8.84. So I almost could get a mokoranga and to what upward trend for a long time for the cooperation from the parents. They have been very supportive. I mean, normally kuru was stakeholders na bangi into what wanafunzi to our parents to our na teachers.
Nabasaba gwaka na chibesa che school fees erinde aborokiwa banyore chinga kichinyororo ase sukuru.
Ande toko batei bapanga banafunzi bawo je skuru waje ne fees. Egero mwanafunzi taoja ndo seli. Egero mwanafunzi yabe skuru ama tukonsi. Egero takolusi. Maitu mwanafunzi kabere skuli tukelimo wakolusi lesson more than 10.
Engana yabagego segeto no muraibu abaiboli ime skuru eyo Steven Ondieki.
No abaiboli twabere toko bwatara na barabo naende nkota maturi ku understand challenges babwata na abaiboli na ne fees ntoko basoma bakong. Wone singe jo mwako yokora kanuro mukong. Ivana ala batebya abaibuli baito no nyubugima bakongete abana babe school all the time na tubaro bachipike kuruya sema yabo
ase asaba abaibuli gosira chiskuru kireme ya Gusii elinde gokinia ekerengo gy'ekisemi
itangani ore yanja uranje school ya akarkuwa yankire oborayi boko baraisi lakini akarubwanki bwangete school yao oborayi boko babokomo. One in such a situation, abantu ba community itanga nibagwana to korita be skuru yabo amatoke amanya gocha. Bayanje bunere bunabano gwancho mongino buninjireriale.
Boigo na saba aborokigwa bakoro b'ekisukuru koira na sikuru kyabo elinde koreta amagenderero.
School like now the chairman of the board he was a student, he's a doctor and Kisii University is a lecturer. Igo achite akasoe board. I was a student here. Na nche ngaje tukabwaterana. bono we must accept our school first. Neki arumi na gidi school kinde kianji school kiabo baira noro they give back to the community. As such, a community we get kine.
Kurwase County ya Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Bia manoyo minto Job Maangi kurwase County ya Nyamira. Karobo igo tutigareta se county ejo nigi amateye mokorwase ward ya Kemera. Ego sababa samaria bayako bakonya maega ye nyumba yabo kuya wika kwera na kiregento kyarenge ime kuyera arona kirabono batigaire batabwati kende no nyangake mulikuito bwa mangana maya Brighton Makoli na bwati roboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano no gutwariganiria buna rukubwatya
mateyemo yabana bane korwase kinyoro gyabo siango igotoka se wodi ya Kemera nigo bare ime yobo kendo bonene anene kere nyumba yabo yanyarite kubatumuriro nakoyi obutuko bogokera litukurero anekero Chinsa kujanyarite go chase amate eyo
yo chiarenge Chinsa mbiri ga chiko chikoba Chinsa Isato tuakolire koragera tuarure koragera tuachire korara omwana kale konte yaye gento gyakarire gento gyandumira bunensa na ngoje bakaraki ngoje batongie taya nkonyora kweli nuko maana Chinsa nako chiasoire opolero obogima tukasoka isiko nkorangeria abana gochie kurwesa iga yabo akariki nko bateyo amwe maana akonyira injwangu gocha mara wagocha akakokaraki wagocha akakosamba yoliuka kero basamba bakacha kosamba ichire sika wono kumbo morero ndembo tigetensa senda nakarateki neka bwata tuchie mature sibatambanye
ono mara go bana muroje nyumba baje umwana baje usamba Chinsa no kuchia famiete wanyore mature se abwatire umure nyumba yaire yonse nyumba okere mabadi tei
kolengana no mugaka bwomochio yo Paulo Nyangalesi boigo yore no balema nigakwerera
Kutui karanseta toko takanyoe lyukiri emukireri nyinge gochigoro tokale gobori ngaki abana ngaki ona mwaka ngira morero yo ngaki lyukiri emukari nyinge toko chikaswa nyumba takanyaro morero obwaterete igore mature sie sambe toko samba kulikwe ona tokasinyurene ngaki toka bakachiusiara macha arengo achigokura abamate bakachigochiroche bakasi
bono Nyangalesi nigaboriria basamaria bayagweso kiriko mokonya no bokonyi eri nere kwegenderia ase obogima
ona rende yongo sabagaki oyo oranjonde bwensi ankornye timbwa tinjirende nonye abana yontigira timbwa tinono mokonyi ogocha konkonya no imbwa tantomenya tanera ni mara tata lakini timbwa ti namuna tabwa tinamuna yo konkonya no nasini abana inchenkora girikire ento inchenkora
boigo nigamendruna ekerari no bolema konyina bwate wirja iye komotali na koligie kyakobeka monukorende nero nigo yegete koya
enyumba neyete teyo aya endagera nkoliteyo tawirja yana konyeko nkonya nanje natalira singotalira kuchinali ikende teyo wana onkarasi tensinyire kingo koraki ekije kongira singo chikoliki gochi
abamate na barabumba bwataya bagokwana
mungina garwale okogenda matibabu kurwaliwa muya gatigara mono mogoroba gotogo ikagaso bwene mungwano uyaiteire todo wetero uyaiteire abana matigerega mungina garwalete uyaiteire
byayeta igo byayete binta konya tutari twamweta akonya tu
boigo nigo na barbo banyarire bakuburia basamaria baya
akimotokonye kereme gegia minto erege konyera abana kagecha kusaiti kinyori
abantu bari wanje bamokonya nyumba yegeyeta amoro goto uchansero muna ateba no mana mbolinga tweto kanyoje sana kunsa amoro bansa yegirana no ikaranstego abaminto ntwanya sana kujirega
wako yakora isiko ona ngusabana aki Mwana county government ya Nyamira abustogwate mheshimiwa wa Kisii and Nyamira akole na konyara ogwata no mheshimiwa wa mpyo ito Isato abajamba konye mwakwe
Ripoti riketaseni Ndizi TV eridariane Brighton Makoli
Buya mono mulikito Brighton Makoli no kwegena waite buno mugako yona chikonyoro bokonyi korwasa abantu bokuganio kuya Osco motu mulikito Frida Kerubo ngotumanyale unanaki company ya Car and General Motors yanyara kobage korwa obokorali bwabosa gochasa barundi aba boda ase chipikipiki cha TVS asensemo ya Kisii municipality tigatonyoro roboturu asenchira yoboime.
Kampuni ya Car and General bakubwatana kiombe ya Red Cross na boigo enyagitari ya Oasis nigo barua obokoleri abo bosaguchia ase abonchire ba boda ababere bakugora boda chia TVS a service chiabo ime municipality ya Kisii.
Rero twarangiri chi customer chitu bali banyale ko bakugora kuri myake ya maega egaratunya ko bakolera service ya free service yetu ko bachenjerio oil na ko ba spares at a discounted price na boyo ko mamono tubwata maigario awo
gokwana umumanager Car and General ase orosagi rwa Kisii nigo airera okubwaterana kwabone byombe ase okorwa obokoleri obu
ande na boyo ntubwate se Kenya Red Cross abakonyara ko babako kwana nabantu gaiga egara onde kwensi obwate omoyo bwo konya bali patari kwenya nyagitari sama nyinga aro baru gaiga ko bwamantu bwate financials kuna bona mogo nto babwate what credit abana baro bakonya ko baba konya abatecha aba ese bali patari kunya ko baba wikana ni chibesa chiri chonsi egara banyorere chibibi chinyi
Chinga ketio oboigoni go abanyagitari korwa Oasis Health Center baba bako balingolia amaroire asenonya nabo abana boda baba korwa obokonyi bwa manyinga
ase litukolia lero etole n'abana boda iga ase Kisii County Assembly bakora exercise yekegagyo godonate amanyinga bakonye abarwaire abaiga barware tasi chinyagitari chetu cha Gusii chonsi
Omonyakerogo oboda we municipality ya Kisii nigo agokera obokoleri obo ase aboncheria ba boda ba TVS.
Tai service yokara tu engofa within the municipality. Exercise chindo chiengo na bali batete chipikipiki cyo mukopo abantu ba watu credit mugo na bara around you can consult them eli netumanya na kitoko kwa biashara within the municipality.
Boigo nigo abonchereria banyora amaigelio na boigo obosemia na kibakolenda chiboda chiabo. Boigo nigo bairanirimbiya mono ase obokoleri baba bakonyora.
Majirega igakorwe pigipigi ya ne service ne company ya Car and General ngoira ne ngambia mono batokora ile service for free batoire chi reflector and batosomiri goro yobuye bokorera epigipigi service na koruchi kogora chi spares chire genuine.
Actually umuntu bunanje ninde inse na iskabi ndombiri buya akabese nari kuchokorera service yo iri 400 I will just go ngora akaposikali agake nakamanu kaya nyire nyumba
korwa ase oboteneri bwenyagitari nigo bairanirimbya mono ase abonchereria ase boigo baboria abantu gotalera enyagitari ya KTRH eliokwena na obokonyi bwa manyinga
oyo bwateribaga nandonye kumanyete koro mubero gukole buya ogo chichari KTRH ochiche naye nabo kunyara kwa bagokuru amanyinga kole miaka 16 bake miaka 64
Omorobelio bwekwena na obokoleri bwabosa gochia ase abana boda ba TVS nigo ochaka lero goika litukolia angyo ase abana boda ba TVS baboligwa gwesokia ase obonge eliokonyora obokoleri obo
egento gia korekanire lero nigo kiangento kia mana mono na ande we are planning ngagento rakora until tomorrow bari mwezi ipi mutarakorwe service so you are highly welcome to mambi mojiche mokorwe service we don't matter where you come from so long as a service ya TVS.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Yamano mulikito Frida Kerubo. Amagori ya maguta ya petroli na maguta ya diesel nigagendete koba yeri gori asa matuka bwanguiga egentukerere abarundi aba boda amana abarundi aba matatu banyariko baba wesokya na kwemurunganeria ogokina kwerigori omulikito bwa mangana maya Vincent Onyancha no robotirwa senchira yoboikerano
Ono na boto chingo bogima bwa kongire nyanje serikali yanja. Itokeria maguta haya.
Sekta ya matatu kuna chinsemo chindeni gandrete go trama kongu ase chinsemo ao imeye county ya Kisii niko bone sekta yo abatene na boy gona abwatani abana na batebire buna obosombe niko botigarete kore mara amatuko cha sayande nona bogati yabo niko batebire buna wikira boni gambaranyora kende gyonsi bako gokeria anene asogukina komabuta
maguta ni gamende te iguru bigesara ni trip to ko genda gaiga na ya mukwa gende ya kabiri igo rirwete uchigo ko na mate gukasuneka kuira na gocha na ko nyara gocha bosa turi gutwara abantu gocha na barabu gocha
asobo ene serikali etondo chenga bintu mbekera kutochera bijaigo reason oroche ya maisha inaendelea kupanda back to school lakini bado gastralisium mafuta rigoro abibodi bakolera
nigo chinga kicho bate bire buna no embali bakura nseme mo chanze semende nigo batire to wakana chibaza chia utambe no nyama ikama buta komenta ase bono bagani umura ibwense kubwatira nseme tenete asensemo yobo chenu nabo igone nseme ryo kanekina kwibara mabuta wikabaya keri konyara kubakonya nigo bate bire buna gukina kwa mabuta no kwerera uchumi gokonga anene asensemo yobo sombi
ono bosombi bwa matatu twabere to ko etana ne customer para customer chikare go chabana chikare ko dina chikarime ili chikori na chikarime bona mafuta mna mende te ko mate suneke to ko mo kali 70 bona customer chigocha echita ite ko ruwa misini
asense mo yo bosombi ndochenga obosombi mbiyabore gota tiga egento gyato chandire mono amabuta igare ekerengo kyeigoro kiagerire gyakindie binte binge nalo ko sabe serikali Mugambi William Samoei Ruto aende arute nombe sange ko chiaria aseke ganja keri kia sama butaria korwa egere amabuta akeigurigori egere obosombi bonyare koba bogo keigwa
gati yabo bali bakwenda chinsemo chiara ne kuru katikati umuchio bosongo je chinsemo chinde ngobatebire buno bosombi bwabo ni gobotigara tense na kolemara nawe banyorete liga salika chinga kichi abana bari kora mu school go back to school ase orende batebire buna abana bange barokana togoterana ase kirenga buna abana bali ba class 12 go form 4 bange babo maiga yo kole school bono bosombi ni go bwarokanete gotigaranse
esenga kieye una bana school jego letuga abana bagagenda biashara bono byakongire na oligererie ga bone tonga na etoroje ne bali tuwe katari osafiri bosombi bwakongire se oli bana bya sanchiara te samure yarengo Christmas goja yaelire bono bogo chibesa bokongomboro so osafiri se bono barenge bange mono kogarambale bakorete buna ba form fo batarengo igo badombaira na tensa
premium driver amangana transport yo konyorare nsemeye momon mwagenda nsemeye monsemende tebwati banzi
ekyo getigarete bono ne serikali ikomekie getambukiro kone kibuna ngoke ibareri golia mabuteri konyara gokinia ensemo yobosombe ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko katikati yo muchi yobosongo imeye county ya Kisii retirane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha
Mano Molikito Vincent Onyancha abaliki korwase nyumba cyubaralia ao nigo baumera nasoma baganio yomo aigaso mu cyobosongo eleko ywa maigelyo igoro yobokoreri bwabo ne kyombe kya Media Council of Kenya Molikito mangana maya Mildred Momanyi na ikirana segi karekyo nagotorosolia roboti rukubwatya
abaliki ao korwa chinyomba cyoboraria imense ya Kenya nigo bagwetera amakonko bwaterana nemiremo yabo ase bakwenekia na koramange ase oboliki bwabo asa yonigo abanyane chinyomba cyoboraria baboligwe kubwaterana elio kwenekia buna abaliki amangana ngo chigokonyu bale ase nsemo yo mochando bwabongo oyororekanire koba ase bale ekero bagokora emegano yo boiti gatie yende aya nigo akwanwa ase omobogani wo ufanisi ekero babwate egikaro kya bene asogo semia abaliki igoro yo kwerenda kuru mochando yo
provision of mental health services will be very, very important for journalists. Mainstreaming mental health services by the media houses would be very key, so that when journalists seek health services, let mental health services be part of the comprehensive health care.
Journalists do a lot of stories about disturbing events in society, and therefore they are likely to suffer trauma from time to time. So as a Media Council of Kenya, we have a program on safety and protection of journalists, which covers the various aspects of safety. We have the physical safety, we have the digital safety where when journalists are online, and also now mental health, because previously this is an aspect of safety that has not been very well covered within the media, and therefore we are partnering with various players, starting with psychosocial experts. It is now possible for you to get in contact with the Media Council of Kenya whenever you feel that you have a challenge mental health, so that then we are able to connect you with experts who can debrief you, who can do counseling for you, and also address those other challenges that we're seeing.
Ase omorobeli oyo oragwana Dr. Rossi Otieno oyoro morokia Bweru University ya Kisii nigo akwanira chinchira chebirengereria ebyo bikoretwa no gukora emegane yo ere yokoboya.
Vicarious trauma is normally common with service providers who deal with people who are traumatized either on a daily basis or people who have gone through trauma, and covering that without imagining that the journalists who do that work comfortable, without getting involved emotionally. Yes, professionally that's what they are supposed to do, but remember, journalists are also human beings who feel for others who suffer. So therefore, as they cover those sad stories, they are also likely to experience the trauma indirectly.
Nigo abaliki amangana bagokera egetambo kirekyo gyo kubasemya ase barenge na yaiga.
We want to appreciate the Media Council of Kenya for organizing this event for us. As we understand, especially from Kisii, we've covered many traumatizing events. Dr. has been able to elucidate so well on why we need to have good, proper mental psychology and all that, as we do our work on a daily basis covering these events.
Ase chinga kecho nigo omoteneri korwa ase kiombe kyabaliki ense ya Kenya omosubati Dina Ondari ateba mbabe bakobeka emerobeli obune yaiga kera engaki lyokonya abaliki igoro yomochando bwabongo.
So our work as a council is to facilitate an environment where mental health issues can be discussed, journalists can be open to talk about them, and also if in the unfortunate incidents that you have done a story and that has affected you, you are able to get help.
Ulipata lia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, litaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mono mulikito Mildred Momanyi asorobotirwa senchira yubikiranu kegima. Abantu bono nigo basemiwe koligia chinchira chiabene echioko ya utanga ogwoncheria kwelire okukogocha na makongwa mange. Asigi ikarogia koreka sensema ya mogonga ime ye county ya Kisii nigo basemiwe kurase kiombe kemo kya Mangondi Foundation ngana kibagwenerete gutwara bumanyi igoro ya mangana mange. Mulikito Josephat Hamisi no alenga asigi karekyo na gotorosele roboti irokobwatia.
Eliokwene kiabuna abamenyi be county ya Kisii nigo banyareko bagutumia echiko eliebwate amaiga igogete naboigo egutumia chingo chinke bono nigo ekiombe gya Kenya Slums Youth Development Organization isiyobora ibwa Jacob Mangondi kenyareko bagekorete chike yo linde kwene kiabuna yanyareko bage gutumeka ase chinsemo
ogo chinji kwerioba nigo ko affect kerase tokaruranga mbia tuansere chichiko gekogera Gusii abantu abanga bagutumeka chinko nende kwanyoranga chinko chiri bagutumeka se amaiga yali aigogete kwanyoranga elio kiliko bali nyinge no nyene buse eli kurwali endagere korosugiteri ensafi na kiakora twale rotenga tigatororio tuligia abantu tokorega siamu tochine chiko iranyare kurwegu eyenyare gokonya abantu batumye chinko chinke na ndinya ko bagakorosia endagera bwango endagere ensafi ekinege kora twalete project rero tobwate local stakeholders engagement abantu bakurubu machoge chache na burapu abande bake abo baje tosomukutano oyo erinde banyare kurwa maoni yabo nganinki ketakeire gokolekana eri project yenya ko bage kobengia.
Jacob Mangondi boigoni gatebire eserikali county na boigo serikali nene nigo yabirike gusira ekiombekyo erinde kwenekia buna omorobeli yo nyale ko bago wikirana ase chinsemo imeye county ya Kisii boigo amone county ya Nyamira niga yakwa na litkolya lero asomoyega bwekana na maigelio
egente kenene nkelinga eserikali ye county ne serikali nene mbamanye tegorie project ye twabere ko bato go support igu na ande ntogenderere tuguansira bo machoge chache na burabu togo kole efesi entangani efesi ya kabere togo chigokora county Isato burabu bobasi na South Mogirango na Nyaribari chache togo kora togo chigokora efesi yo mwaerio ego chigokora sub county ekinde cya Gusii chatikarire
ngati abo bwatani banyara ko bagoikirana samaigeria yo nigo bagokeiro muroberi yo abigoteba anene no chikokonya ogonjoreria kwirire imeyense ya Kenya na boigo ense engima
bangi na bachandikira samatuka mange asoko ligichinko na selioki ebialentire mechande menge se chinka chinyinge kiagera elioki elindi bwata madara ase mebere y'abantu nechingo squeeze chiabolire nakiako garabange abantu bagusumika emete pakaroche yangusa amache yatokana na amache akeira chindoche mopango yono
the project yeye ni yo reduce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas which is very acidic to the environment. Ego chialeta obokongu mbalimbali ase health. Carbon dioxide yeiga ngochiere ele yanero ase umseyo mugase ozone layer. Carbon dioxide yekera kogenda igego tamba nere ele ikonyetandra na kieko squeeze umugaso ko ba so hot. So a project they go introduce cook stoves. Nature okorusi enchireri to koruga na maiga.
Biya mona sombro birioyo gyako garelio kindi ko cyanya wari ko to affect dito sari no na maiso no no bugima bwa abana bweito ngo chikonya ko babore bo konywa asenge nja maisa abana chikonya ko baga ko ba maya ba kunya ko banyari ko ba gosoma batari ko cyane kunya ko beke birore mapema egenzo kende umurobelio yoiga igoko konya emete to kunya ko butura emete yare go chiko konyo motirika kwa oti go moto yokine ochikonia wana to kare konya gecha twachi gutumeka buna chingo
Oripatirika tasendi kia Ndizi TV korwa award ya bompapa borabu eyo ere ime constituency wa machoge chache mbeye county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi
ya mano mulikito Josephat Hamisi ono tigankwirwe ikase county ya Nairobi awaseli tukolelero umuraibwense Dr. William Ruto nigaenekirie na kulieira unango chakya bali mirobelio bene yogo chakugacha na kubeka boikiranu amangana yobokorari bwa serikali asenchira yekerero wose digital platform nigatebire mirobelio ya serikali chimibire chioka nerera asenchira yekerero ekero balingete gocha kubeka gwetani mirobelio chiribwisano eliaba Kenya konyoro bokorari bwa serikali nigaya kwa naye imeyamagacha manene a KICC imeye county ya Nairobi.
It is the duty of the government to deploy necessary resources and remain vigilant in order to support and protect entrepreneurs, innovators, and other workers in the digital economy from fraudsters, terrorists, traffickers of illicitly obtained data, and all manner of criminals who populate the online underworld. We must allow maximum entrepreneurial liberty in order to reap the benefits of the free market economy and advance human well-being. Yet, we cannot permit the vulnerable to be victimized by fraud, exploitation, and abuse. We have an obligation to defend national sovereignty and protect society from cyber terrorists and online criminals. It is important for all stakeholders in the data sector to always be conscious of limits. What are the constitutionally recognized and practically unavoidable limits to freedom of expression, freedom of information, and the right to privacy, as well as the state's authority in respect to all this? In order for Kenya to realize the maximum potential of the digital superhighway, we must have a clear data management regime that is rational, effective, and promotes efficiency.
Chingaki echo abarai na babwatani ao awekirana asumusangirikano yo nigobali irabo igoyo gocha kubwaterana na serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwene kiabunango ikirania bale onsi asaba Kenya.
We are embarking on an ambitious program of rolling out 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable to enhance the ICT infrastructure in all parts of the country.
Kenya is a digital heavyweight. With Kenyans going online in record numbers, the digital transformation has therefore also become a centerpiece of Kenyan-German relations. Jointly with the European Union, Germany is investing close to 3 billion shillings in support of Kenya's transition towards a sustainable and human-centered digital economy. Data protection is a civil right, and governments have the responsibility to create the framework for the citizens.
We are very pleased that this is happening in our capital. In the city of Nairobi, in our government, we've already adopted technology in a number of things that we are doing. We have a state-of-the-art data center that was established quite a while back, and which we are now using effectively to be able to deliver services to our people.
Up there is displayed the process of registration. You go online, you apply for registration, we verify your document, we issue a certificate which is also digital. It is renewed after 2 years. So far, Your Excellency, we've been able to register 17 applications so far. Collecting of processing of data cuts across all aspects of government priority agenda.
Mwaziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu litukolera lero nakyakya bene morobeli obwokwena na ebitabu gochasa abana ba grade 5 na 2 gosa abana ba junior secondary school abo bagocha gosoa sechi skuru ekyo litukolera Jumatatu kitalikie 30 okwana chinga kiekyo asamaga cho yechiabisi chensemo ya Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development KICD nigamenta goteba boigo abarokia bali baguche gosomia sebirasi ebyo nigo boigo baguche konyora ebitabu ebyo.
The start of the distribution of the grade 7 textbooks that will cost the government of Kenya a total of 3,164,365,856 follows the completion of the assessment exercise of all primary schools to ascertain their readiness to host the junior secondary school runners, with the books expected in all schools that have been found suitable to admit grade 7 learners. The government is now proud to launch the distribution exercise, which is expected to be completed next week. And I require to make it clear that the number of primary schools which will be hosting junior secondary schools according to our assessment are now over 20,000, and we'll be giving you the specific number, and those who have not qualified are actually very few, because our major criteria was on the enrollment, the numbers that we have as they transition, and there are others few that will serve as feeder schools to those that will be offering junior secondary school.
Chinga kiechyo Mwaziri Machogu nigatuguteirare chinkuma chigenderete igoro yogosoki woko matemwa manene y'umwaka w'ekiri 2022 korengana na Machogu nigatebire yo propaganda nagoteba matemwa nigakoretwa senchera yobone no bwasyoku na igo matemwa yo taibeirie.
That we produced so many A's that almost each and every candidate was getting an A. This is not so. This is all but propaganda coined by people who don't have proper intentions for our education system, people who I can call, these are sadists. Because sincerely, when you start marining an education system with as part of the integrity process, then we start wondering what your intentions are. The number that got A in 2022, which I made public, was 1,146. If you compare that, actually it was lower. The percentage of A's in 2021 were more than those ones in 2022. So people saying that Machogu has given anybody an A, would I have been there to deny the Kenyans who got proper A's the opportunity for them to be awarded an A? That would have been most unfair to me as Cabinet Secretary, who has been bestowed this very important portfolio by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. So in 2021, I've given you the figure, and of course in 2021, there were 145,145 C+ and above, which translated into 17.49% of those who qualified for university. While in 2022, there were 173,345.
Mwanchu muligereria enkwana yo mwaziri Ezekiel Machogu nigegocha maega ye chinkuma kugendera kuranda mitandao buna chiskuru chinyinge kurwa Sorgongo rwa Nyanza anene kurwa se county ya Kisii nigochia kolya buje gwetania kerengo igento bona atebira abantu bagendrete gukwana magana yo mbali nekirengekia asense moye sector ye chisemi. Mwanchu muligereria nganchere ngikero mwelio gabo amangana mayasenjera yo wekirano kurende ntara ya kora ntaite gukoira gwikase birubo byechigosori tumerano yo minto captain 001 Ndemo Steven atumanya mange korwa sebirubo byechigosori tetwenda sense mwende ye studio egere tumerane no yo minto captain 001.
Ngega ndatagotengereta sene kia Ndizi TV tiabona kwariga vene asamanga na Amayia yechi kosori bina butambe cheretera Ndemo Steven captain 001 Newato chakamanga na Amayia yechi kosori aseli ya National Super League kwa timu ya Shabana FC yagendereire gusaseria aseli yo sekiraboniga neretanga ine na point ya mirongo bere nebira bwasibona omokonyi bomoroke omonene bwe timu ya Shabana FC omekene buna Kevin Mumanya nyandire gwesoki abatiba buna mbia mono gukiasa abatioteribe timu ya Shabana FC babaire bagwesokia CBT au etimu ya nyandire ko bageko gosori abwasarure irabuna bune timu bagendere kubeko mukina kurwa machibu Amaya ayora nyare ko bagako abatioterio moyo bogocha chigosori chionsi cha Shabana FC.
Huu ndio mwaka wetu, mimi naona huu ndio mwaka wetu. Sijaona timu inaweza tukazia sahi. Kila timu tunai-approach differently. Hakuna timu rahisi, ni vile sisi tunai-approach, ni vile sisi tumejipanga na vile tumeamua. Hakuna timu rahisi, hakuna timu ngumu. Vile sisi tumejipanga, mafans watu support na tuna promise this time round game zote away, hatuna home, hatuna away. Tunataka kucheza tu game yetu na system yetu, tutawin matches. We promise our fans. Mafans wataanza hizo job zao wanafanya. Wanakuja, wanajua ni game 4 tutacheza na wanajua lazima tutashinda. Sasa tumewapea morale. Vile tunacheza poa, vile more fans watakuja. Hata kama wako committed watakuja. Ni game tukicheza vibaya hawezi kama, lakini tukicheza tu poa watakuja wengi na watatusupport. Hiyo ndio mbinu yetu. Tu perform tu poa, fans watakuja wengi. Baada hata hawajakuja watakama.
Timu emekaire na Kajiado FC konyara kobage kuruchugo Isato ase egoria yemo ne timu ya Shabana FC seketikia Gusii Stadium nigobono Martin mutembeo morokeo monene bwe timu ya Kajiado FC anyade gwesoke na tebuna etimu ya ye nigegwata bagosorio bwa timu ya Kemeke abwa sate bire buna set transfer window yomutinyo kabere me league ya National Super League nana kwenda kibuna nanya ligwikira Chisei cyaba gosorio bwate obumanyi obonge abara konye timu ya Kajiado FC etimu engeni ya NSL kunyara kulikia machibu Amaya.
CDM. Huyu jamaa anafanya CDM, si ndio?
Jina langu naitwa Martin Mtembei. Game imekuwa mzuri. Game Simba ile kitu imekuwa problem tu. Mimi wachezaji wangu wengi ni amateur. Wachezaji wengi ni wale walicheza chapadimba, ni percent kubwa ni wale young ambao wako na below 20. Inamaanisha bado nahitaji reinforcement na bado nahitaji nipate wachezaji experience kidogo ndio waweze kunisaidia. Ligi ni NSL si rahisi. Already nimeidentify wachezaji kama wane yenye niko radhi nitawasign. Game ijao tajikaza tu. Bado tunaenda Mombasa, tunaenda Ukunda, SSR.
Kosoa se ligi ya FKF Premier League wa Street kule goro nige timu ya Gor Mahia FC ya kwenye kora timu ya Talanta FC chigoli Isato asevosa abasomora kama nebwe timu ya Gor Mahia FC makaenda buna Johnston osoma kaine buna Jonathan McKinstry anyarire kwe soke na kunyara ya bune timu ya Gor Mahia FC mbatu migetebuya amabagapanya leta sense mentanga ni chigoli chonsi chabete kwa bachikosoa korende Ken Kenyatta omora kama nebwe timu ya Talanta FC tago geti nenjire timu ya gosoreti mwana nsementangani.
I think we're overall very pleased with it. We asked the players, we said to them before the game, I think everyone knows that we have a big game coming up on Sunday, but we had to do the job today. But we did say to the players before the game, look, if you can give us a cushion at half-time, it's hard in this league because every team fights, and you even see, Talanta, their games have been remarkably close. They've picked up some big points off teams at the top of the table. But we said to our guys, it's a big ask, but if you can give us a cushion at half-time, it will allow us to maybe make a few changes in the second half because we have that buffer. And they did that. They went out. It was a great first half. Some really good goals scored, different types of goals. All three goals are very different. So we're very, very pleased with that.
As we train to win, no one who can train to lose. We are anticipating to win the game, and we can surprise you. So for now, this one is over. We are thinking about the coming match. Yeah, that for us losing the game, you could see how the game was. The game was tough, and we considered easy goals, of which we need to go and train for that, so that the next game we can improve from there. First of all, we don't have time to train because we have a game on Saturday and players are played today. You see now we have a recovery day, which is tomorrow, and then the rest day is on Saturday. Instead of having a rest, we have a match. So for me, I think the games are back to back, and there are so many, so players are getting fatigue on the process.
Piri egeti Nyayo Stadium ni gwentunde merongo kiandane tatu yokomira na gatie timu ya Gor Mahia FC amone timu ya AFC Leopards imenyekaine muno na bateteri bechi gosoribu na mashimeji dabira nyareko bagia kogosoribu abwase bono Jonathan McKinstry omoroke omone bwe timu ya Gor Mahia FC anarira gotabura nonye timu ya Gor Mahia FC kengerete timu ya AFC Leopards ase historia yokomira na gwechi gosori chia mashimeji dabi nigara nyareko ne kibuna abamura baye banyareko beko mukiase gosori eyu okobe timu eyu ya AFC Leopards nero nigebwate obogosori obuyase season yeye sotere buna Gor Mahia FC nyareko ne kibuna nenyora chipointi 3 ase gosori eyu enkomo.
We're expecting an incredibly tough encounter. Obviously AFC have won their last 3 games. They're in a really good mood. We've won our last 3 and have also had, I think if you look at the points per game, we're the top. I know we've got a game or 2 in hand, but in terms of our form this season, it's number 1. Best defensive record, best goal difference. And so we're in good form, but we know we've got to give more. We've got to bring even more on Sunday if we want to have the result that everyone craves against Leopards. So we're expecting a tough game. I think it increases the pressure a little bit. You don't need motivation. It doesn't matter if we'd won the last 5 or lost the last 5. You don't need extra motivation for the Mashemeji Derby. Everyone knows what it means to the community, to the club, to everybody. And so the fact that we've had a good run, but look, history doesn't buy you anything. You look at so many teams have had great runs in history, and then they all of a sudden stop. So we need to make sure we are at our very best, because history does not score goals. History does not get assists. History does not make saves. It's these guys here who've got to go out on Sunday and do all of those things as best as they can. And if they do that, I think we can be successful. So it doesn't matter if a team's in good form or bad form. The expectation is to go in, give everything you've got, be willing to bleed on the pitch for the cause, and just put everything out there. And so our players will do that. I think you've seen that through this season, that our players are fighters, they're hungry, they want to do well for this club and for themselves.